Hey guys, back with another one for you here. Now, as you well know, I'm more than happy to continue to share my opinion on AMC with you guys. I love the stock. It's one of my favourite stocks, actually probably my favourite stock ever. So I'm more than happy to make videos on AMC all the time. But on top of my opinion, I want to provide you guys with insights to other people's opinions. That's what we're going to be doing here. We're going to be looking at some other opinions from other individuals and some of the news that we do have. So we're going to dive into that straight away. As usual, guys, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, but do remember this is not financial advice. And I do want to give a massive shout out to all the people who made this possible by sharing their opinion, by sharing the content. So we're going to dive into our first piece. Massive shout out to the reposter, who is some guy named Kyle F, posted this on Reddit. It was posted by Handbill on Twitter. You can see the username over here. Kyle F names this: the stock market without competition is not capitalism. Capitalism without competition is exploitation. It's blatantly theft. It says this: Dear AMC shareholders by Handbill, I am a 55-year-old AMC shareholder. My life savings are in AMC. I will hold my 567 shares and take them with me till I die before I let any of you down. My word is my bond, and I will add when I can. And this really is a great thing, because it is a sentiment which a lot of AMC holders do hold. And that's kind of funny, because when we look to what's going on initially, we see how things work. Now, this one was reposted by Soft Taco, and it was initially posted by AMC Ape, whose username is listed here, so feel free to check that out. It says this: Ken Griffin said about supercomputers that they trade based off of the psychologies of human behavior. But nobody, no computer or algorithm was ever ready for the behavior of FU pay me. It's a case of TikTok now, because people are not giving up. People continue to hold. And that's where they really are in that mess. They've tried everything that they can to get people to sell. It's not worked. So what's it going to be now? They're definitely running out of tactics, if you ask me. I think what we're seeing in the last few days is a sheer sign of desperation. If this was any other stock, from a penny stock to a mid cap, even to a higher blue chip company, the price on the earnings that we have seen, best earnings in a couple of years, that would definitely send the price up by a decent amount on any of those companies. Again, from the low price, from the low market cap to the ultra high. We expect some green after such earnings. But AMC, funnily enough, it was actually looking quite red. And the green day that we had yesterday, so going from the pre-market into the actual day, it wasn't really green at all, because what we need to remember is we actually kind of opened down a little bit if we have a look. So when we also think about that one, we also had only a gain of 21 cents throughout the whole day. So really, ask yourself, was it a good day? Was it a green day? Not really. 1.15%. It's basically flat. It's not even worth mentioning. So the price really should have moved by 5-10%, maybe more, in my opinion, based on the earnings that we had. But of course, with it being AMC, we had a move of 1%. Again, the kind of move that you would expect from a normal stock on a normal day. Nothing particularly special. Now, traditional ad 9760 posted this 20 hours ago, and it was posted by franknez.com, who says this: breaking, Citadel under investigation by the Department of Justice. It's a whole read, and I do recommend reading it. But it says this: so the DOJ is investigating Citadel for market manipulation. Bloomberg just confirmed that Citadel is one of the hedge funds under investigation by the DOJ. Regulators are taking Morgan Stanley and several other hedge funds to court after several subpoenas were sent out earlier this year. And it's a quick reminder of what we are dealing with. We've spoken about other banks, other hedge funds, because, I don't really want to mention any names specifically unless they have been caught doing it or alleged doing it, but we've seen some tactics by certain other banks, hedge funds, and other institutions in the past couple of days that we've uncovered, which really are shady. And again, we cannot say that these institutions are or are not involved in AMC, because it is sometimes hard to say, but it shows what goes on in the wider market. And I do believe a lot of the predictions, a lot of the theories that apes have held for some time, a lot of them are being proven true. So, with that being said, that is the end of this video. I do want to hear your opinions on it down in the comment section, because this really is going to be an interesting day for AMC. Again, at the time of filming, the markets have just opened, and I think it's going to be interesting to see how things do play out, because on the high end we're looking to break above that mark of about 20. That's going to be our ideal breakout point, and we do want to see some consolidation above there. But of course, it wouldn't even be a surprise to me if they did allow AMC to finish down today. And again, that's what I want to give you guys a reminder of. The price can be doing whatever it will, because they will move it however they wish. But it's about the motivation behind the movement. If the movement is motivated, then we're in a strong position. I feel like now, with the data that we have had in the past couple of days from AMC themselves and from Adam Aron's mouth, people are more motivated than they have been in the past. And that puts us in that really, really strong position on that front foot. That's just my opinion. Of course, remember that it's not advice. Do your own research and make your own minds up. But if you did enjoy this video, guys, please do help me by sharing it. Again, I did want to just consolidate on some thoughts at the very end of the video. Hope you did enjoy it. Again, do subscribe and I'll see you in a bit for more stuff. So goodbye for now. So thank you for watching through till the end, but let me tell you about our Discord. So on your screen you will be seeing the N2S Finance Discord. Obviously it is split into multiple sections. Basically at the top we have updates from me and all that kind of good stuff. If you scroll down a bit further we have the main sections where we focus on cryptos, SPACs and other hot stocks including penny stocks, even stable growth stocks as well, and we even have a special AMC GME chat. If you scroll down you can see some research and DD from the community. We also have funny memes and you can see actual contributions from members down here. And again, if you do join us, it is completely free, link is down below. But if you do want to become a Patreon, you will actually get a pink sticker which will be displayed on your name. So your name will come up in pink as mine comes up in red down here, and that will show that you are a Patreon. But other than that, guys, you can join completely for free down below. You do not have to pay anything if you do not want to. Thank you for watching, see you soon.